Welcome to today's review for this DIY nanny camera kit with 1080p and Wi-Fi, where I go over some of its functions and how to set it up on a phone. First, let's start with some unboxing. It comes with the camera itself with an on and off switch, the 5-hour battery connector, the power port, reset button, and the light indicators for functions, along with the SD card slot. And on the front, you'll have the camera connected to the camera strip, where it's flexible and can be put in almost anything. You have the 5-hour battery pack, that again goes connected to the bottom. Once it's securely connected, you'll have power, and you'll see the light indicators come on, letting you know what the status is. It also comes included with the charging cable, the manual for the application as well, the extended battery pack, along with a charging Type-C cable. Once you're connected to the camera's Wi-Fi in the application, you're able to sync the camera right away, where you can get the live stream and also see some of its functions, such as being able to set it up to your home or office Wi-Fi. From there, you can remotely access it when you're away. Another feature would be the album, where you can view historic footage and save or delete them from there as well. Let's go into some real-life demonstrations for this nanny camera kit. As you can see, it has nice clear 1080p video and can be ultimately hidden almost anywhere. Just look at that clear 1080p. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to give us a like, subscribe, and stay tuned for future products like this at SpyCentre.com, where you can catch up on all the latest spy gear.